No scratches, no distortion. The chipless tube straightening and cutting machine, just precision tube processing. The intelligent touchscreen not only makes parameter setting more intuitive, but also ensures that the tubing consistently maintains concentricity and uniform quality. During the processing, the machine's nylon straightening wheels and U-shaped rubber belt structure effectively protect copper, aluminum, Bundy, and XPAP composite tubes during feeding and straightening operations, thereby effectively preventing scratching, stretching, compression, or deformation of the tubing. Compared to normal design with two-half clamping die, we designed the clamping die in 3 parts, according to lathe chuck structure, which can minimize the tube distortion during cutting, and the clamping die changing adjustment will be easier. The finished tube shows cleaner cutting quality, no distortion, and higher concentricity, helping ensure more stable welding performance in the following production process. Bobo Machinery focuses on stable, precise, and efficient tube processing solutions for modern HVAC and heat exchanger manufacturing. Looking for the right cutting machine for your production line? Contact us today to discuss your tube processing requirements.